So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on Settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on About Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. For the second step, you want to search for acceleration. And you should now be seeing Use Graphics Acceleration when available. You want to turn this off and then click on Relaunch. If it was already turned off when you got here, then you want to turn it on and then click on Relaunch. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, on the left hand side, you want to select Privacy and Security. And now you want to click on Delete Browsing Data. You want to set the time range to all time, and you want to select Cookies and Cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select Cookies and Cache and then click on Delete Data. See if that works. For the next method, on the left hand side, you want to select Reset Settings and then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. You can untick this box and then click on Reset Settings. See if that works. For the last method, you want to go to Search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Google Chrome. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. After you uninstall it, you want to go to any web browser and just type in Google Chrome download and then just go to the link. And then you just want to re-download it again, and this should now fix your problem.